can film together, wait a minute.
Yeah.
So just in case.
Se on sketti ja Susannan puisto.
Yeah, and today it is the 24th of August 2025. We have got to decide another one of these, and Maistraatinkatu 2. This is the case A, and we have been in F before. So we have A and F right now.
Yeah.
2 out of 7 at the moment. We had to come here. I mean, it was a good idea to come here now.
Yeah.
And this one was built in 1982, turning 40 years old in 2022, and it's going to be inspected again. H62042. Amazing. And they are in different heights.
Yeah.
This one has only 4 floors, and G, F, and G have 6, I think.
Yeah.
And then I think C, D, and D have like 5 or something. B has only 4 also, I think.
Yeah.
Let's see the occupied land. This is what is different from the building in 1, where we have gotten everything with the code that I found.
Yeah.
Because there they don't have the occupied light.
Yeah.
If we take another ride, you can press the buttons.
Yeah.
We have tried today in 1979 and 81 built residential buildings in Kone, but fortunately we had no success there.
Yeah.
But next time we should have it.
Yeah.
We got a lot of other things there today.
Yeah.
Tittipaa kiva inspektää. Mietin vaikka on.
You don't always have luck. Not like in Vapaalla when we had everything.
Yeah.
It doesn't always happen. Yes. Now we have to load a flyer.
Yeah.
We're gonna try more maybe the E.
That's